Hi friends, in this video we will see about the assignment operators and there is a written little bit definition about them. So let's start. Assignment operators are used to perform arithmetic operations while assigning a value to variable. For an example, these are the operators from the left side where is the written operator. These are the operators. Example, you can see in the list of example y is equal to a plus b, and here y is equal to 10 plus 20 equals to 30. If we talk about the m is equal to m plus 10, these are the assignment operators where our variables we have to assigning the value into variables. So here this is the long term where m is equal to m plus 10. It's a long term, but if we want to do this operations in the short term, so here m plus is equal to 10, both will be same. So you can see the all assignment operators on the screen. So now I am going to show you that how to use them. See here, addition, you can see that arithmetic examples. This is the arithmetic example. This is not assignment operators, because there is no any variable is used there. So if I run it, just it will be printed 11, because 5 plus 6 equals to 11. If we talk about this one, so a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. This is assignment operators, because here is a variable and I have assigned a 10 value in a variable and 20 value in b variable. Now I am going to addition of both things. So a plus b, answer will be 30. So here it's an example where is a written a long way of doing this code. It's a definitely long way. M is equal to 15, m is equal to m plus 10. Print m. If I print it, see 25. But if we want to do same code in short term, so how will we do? Here, see here, m is equal to 15, m plus, just there is a difference of m plus is equal to 10, and print m. See here, definitely you will get the same answer. There is a little bit difference between them, just a m difference. So this one is a good way for doing the operations about the assignment operators. So that was the best way. So here subtraction, how we will do that subtraction? Same things. M is equal to 15, m minus is equal to 10. So the answer will be 5, because 15 minus 10, answer will be 5. Here m is equal to 15, m multiply is equal to 10. Answer will be 150. So same things you have to use and follow the each video as you can get the more knowledge about this. So division, m is equal to 15, m slash mark is equal to 10. It will be 1.5, because this is a division. We always get the 1 point and something in divisions. So if we want to get us only constant number, just a single number of the output, how will we do? Here floor division, we use the floor division for the getting output only one time. Means after one output we don't need another answer. So here just you have to use m is equal to 15, m double slash is equal to 10, and print m. If I run it, see here, that's only one. Here it was 1.5. So I know that I have already taught you about the division and floor division, and I hope that you have received the good knowledge and you have received the good concepts from that video. So here if we talk about the power and exponent, both are same. M is equal to 10 and m power is equal to 2. It means that 2 power of 10, how much will be? 100. If I change here 5, how much will be? 25. So just like this way, so you have to use the assignment operators. These are the very easy, just clear your concepts. If you have any question, you can ask me through my WhatsApp number and Gmail. Both things are given in the description, just follow them, and thanks for watching.